Hello, and welcome to the CCNP Routing and Switching course offered by SimplyLearn. The last lesson focused on VLANs and trunks. This lesson focuses on VTP. Let us begin with the objectives of the lesson in the next slide. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain VTP modes, configurations, and advertisements. Explain configuration revision number. Configure and verify VTP pruning. Configure PVLAN. Identify the structure of PVLAN. Let us start our discussion of VTP. Virtual Local Area Network Trunking Protocol, or VTP, is a Cisco proprietary protocol. Other manufacturers may use GVRP or MVRP for the same purpose. GVRP is supported only on Catalyst Operating System (CatOS) switches. CatOS is another Cisco operating system. VLAN configurations are exchanged over trunk links to connected switches at Layer 2. This particular task can be accomplished with VLAN Management Policy Server, VMPS, but it is rarely used. Let us now look at the benefits of VTPs. VTPs have several benefits. There is less manual interference for configuration of VLANs. Also, consistent configuration is easier. You can also track and monitor the network with VTP. However, in the hierarchical network model, only local VLANs are used, and they are limited to about 3 on each access switch. In this case, VTP is usually not necessary. As always, if you don't need it, don't use it. It just adds complexity to your network. For switches in all modes, VLAN ID, VLAN name, and VTP configuration is stored in the VLAN.dat file in the switch. This file is retained between boots. For a transparent switch, configuration information is stored in the running configuration. Since VTP is on by default, you must be cautious when implementing new switches or changing configurations. When using VLANs, make sure you reinitialize the VLAN.dat file and start working on a clear switch. This is important because a switch is a VTP server by default. All connected switches will learn any configured VLANs from each other when they are booted, unless you clear the switches first. To clear a switch, shut down all the interfaces on all connected switches and delete the VLAN file on all switches. Then reload all switches. Now let us look at the VTP advertisements.